what's happening right now. कि अभी भी देखो मेरा phone पे आ रहा है, like I'm getting some notifications. If I was like a Gen Z guy, first of all, I would not be here. So it's like I'm very grateful to be here. तूने मेरे को बुलाया podcast पे. But if I was like a Gen Z guy, I'd be studying right now on my desk. आता है notification. Oh, talk to him. Like attention. Like where are we going as a nation? We all think that we are getting AI and iPhone 16 and iPhone 69, but we are going nowhere. We are going nowhere, bro. I can just say that comfortably. हम सबको लगता है कि वो ए आएगा दे आएगा बट इट विल बी द डेथ ऑफ अस वाचिंग another man do what you want to do
Yeah.
and you're finding happiness in another man winning in a wrong aspect.
Yo, what is up? क्या हाल है? Welcome back to Thoughtcast. My name is Aditya Bajaj. If you don't know me yet, क्या चल रहा है? How's your life going? How was your day? मेरे को पहले ये बताओ, ठीक है? Comment down below कि तुम्हारा दिन कैसा था? And ये काफी एक crazy episode है. This episode's with Bhavjot. Bhavjot is a friend of a friend, and he has an intense amount of masculine energy. ठीक है? We've spoken around for like 2.5 hours, 3 hours. बहुत बातें करी हमने, but the cut that has come out was around 1 hour, and I'm sure you'll enjoy it. Heads up, if you are an Andrew Tate fan, you'll like it. If you're not an Andrew Tate fan, you'll love it. You'll love the masculine energy. In this episode, we've also talked about how P or the con affects teenagers, why it's not great and stuff. Just do what you like types. Along with that, we've talked about being disciplined in life. मतलब मैं तो कुछ ज़्यादा क्या कहते हैं credible हूँ नहीं उस मामले में because I am not, but that person is, and he has an insane YouTube channel. काफ़ी interesting है. You will find great content, great thumbnails, great titles, great cinematics. In this episode of Thoughtcast, you will experience the peak level of masculine energy from Bhavjot. You will experience the peak level of masculine energy from a person you have ever experienced. That I bet, I feel. Crazy बंदा है, crazy conversation है, मजे आएंगे. मैंने वापस सुनी नहीं है, तो अगर कुछ होगा I'll have to edit it out and stuff, but who cares? So, super interesting, super masculine episode with Bhavjot starts in 3, 2, 1.
Question I have to be a man of my word, and I have to practice what I preach, and I am doing that. But I truly believe that in some cases, like motivation or helping somebody, addressing an issue about Gen Z or things which we will understand, ऐसे कुछ चीजें होते हैं जो लोग हमारे एज की बोल पाते हैं.
Yeah, true.
That's just a fact. And I feel like somebody in that room, in that area, has to stand up and say something. And I'm not saying I'm that guy. I try to be. I try to be. I always try to help people. I've never openly said कि I'm this guy. I've never openly told people to guys please subscribe करो, like करो, share करो. मैं ऐसे कोई बोला नहीं है. I'm just a guy. I'm a normal Punjabi guy trying his best, and I may come off as arrogant and rude and like a sigma male sometimes, but I believe in myself. I truly believe in myself, and I believe that in many spaces they will mistake your confidence for arrogance and ego.
That is true.
They will believe that. But I'm a normal Punjabi guy. I come from a middle class family, humble beginnings. कुछ नहीं है, कुछ बाप का पैसा कुछ नहीं है. I'm just a normal guy trying his best. I believe that's who I am.
That's the perfect way to portray yourself, I feel, because just be by yourself and it becomes very easy. तुम्हें कोई mask नहीं पहनना, तुम्हें कुछ pretend नहीं करना. It's very easy to display yourself.
Absolutely, and the first thing which I made sure of is that I'm always honest on camera. क्योंकि मेरी झूठ बोलने की मेरी आदत थी.
कैमरा पकड़ लेता है. कैमरा पकड़ लेता. Okay, talking about being yourself, what do you think about Gen Z? क्योंकि आजकल what I have personally observed, mostly मेरे हिसाब से मैं कॉलेज जाके 80-85% of the people try to fit in. ठीक है, they don't do what they actually love. They are not who they are actually are. ठीक है, वो बस pretend कर रहे हैं कि भाई हम ऐसे हैं, हम वैसे हैं, just to fit into the एक आध ग्रुप बन गया क्लास का, तो उसमें fit in होना है अब मेरे को. वो pretentiousness आ रही है हर बंदे में 80-85% पे. That's what I feel. What do you feel? Because what I have observed from your videos and your personality, it's very different. And तेरा कुछ तो crazy take होगा 100% Gen Z's पे.
बोलूंगा ना तू. I know, but I want to hear more from you. Like, can you tell me one experience which makes you feel this way? I want to know from you. I want to hear first.
Okay, I'll tell a very basic example. For example, I made up a nice friend in college. ठीक है, आई
Okay.
नो इन एंड आउट, मतलब आई न्यू दैट पर्सन फ्रॉम बिफोर एज वेल, पहले भी जानता था, एंड मेट हिम इन कॉलेज, आई न्यू हु ही एक्चुअली इज. कॉलेज जाके द पर्सनस पर्सनैलिटी फ्लिप्ड, जस्ट क्योंकि कॉलेज में एक, कहना व्हाट डू कॉल इट, दैट फेमस ग्रुप बन गया है. अब मेरे को उस ग्रुप का पार्ट बनना है, ठीक है, मेरे को सुट्टे मारने हैं अब उनके साथ बैठ के. यू गेटिंग माई पॉइंट? और मेरे को दिख रहा है उसकी पर्सनैलिटी झूठी. I can sense it. I know that person, and it's very evident. So that's what I felt कि यार लोग pretentious बहुत ज़्यादा हैं, and this is the one of the examples, to be very honest.
Hmm.
So you tell me, what's your take actually?
So first of all, first things first, I have to wholeheartedly agree with you.
Yeah.
जो भी तूने बोला है, fully agree, and it must be painful. So I'm sorry कि वैसा हो गया
नहीं
दोस्तों
नहीं
के
नहीं
साथ.
नहीं 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 नहीं, इतना इमोशनल कनेक्ट नहीं रखता मैं
बोल दे
अपने
उसका
साथ.
नाम भी मार लेंगे उसको जाके रात को. So first of all, I have to agree with you, man. Like,
Yeah.
I can't really say कि you're wrong, but yeah, with Gen Z, I believe that people don't think and do things. People don't think and do things, and I feel like that's, for example, let me say something. I have many things to say. मेरा mind cluster में अभी I can say
कोई
like left right. I can be like a shooting artillery. Like I can take shots right now. But first thing I say this, कुछ problem आती है, issue आती है. लोग क्या करते हैं? Gen Z I'm talking about. फोन के पास भागते हैं आंसर्स के लिए.
Yeah.
Even if it's mental health nowadays, anxiety हो गया, PTSD, what they don't do, okay, this is my belief. What they should be doing is basically digging deep into their in their
In
mind.
their minds.
Yeah, in their soul. Problems जो भी है with your family, friends. For example, therapy हो गया. Therapy is a Gen Z thing. It is a fully Gen Z thing. This is something which is at least been modernized. Like
It's
therapy,
modernized, but I feel it works.
it does work. I'm not saying therapy is bullshit,
हाँ.
but I'm saying most of it nowadays, जैसे दिखाते हैं movies में.
लोग दिखाने के लिए ज्यादा जा रहे हैं, to be actually going to
Absolutely.
therapy, right? Because
Yeah,
वो
absolutely.
भाई कि everyone's going to therapy, I feel I also need, मतलब सबको चाहिए होती है some or the other way,
हाँ,
but
हाँ.
वो दिखाने के लिए जब चीजें होती है ना, then they go wrong, I feel.
So for example, like कुछ mental health का problem हो गया, phone का, social media का, जो भी हो. First thing they'll do, अरे यार, what is the solution for this, that. Like they always are on their phones. And the thing is, when you're always on your phone, right? When you're always on something, you will run to that same thing for answers. You will run to that same thing. Absolutely. So that is the worst thing. लोग अपना like mindfulness जो होती है ना, being present in the moment, being actually aware of your thoughts, emotions, how you're feeling, what you want to do. वो लोग awareness तो है नहीं भी आजकल.
Yeah,
Awareness
that
has
is
been
true.
stolen by the companies, bro. Something which I've noticed was people are losing themselves because people are beautiful, bro. People are unique. But वो uniqueness को ना वो दिखा नहीं पा रहे.
यार
Because of this.
हर बंदा इंस्टाग्राम पे आके ठुमके मार रहा है, क्यों? क्योंकि सब मार रहे हैं.
तूने वही point बोला है, like that's basically in correlation with with what you've said, your point.
Yeah.
This is basically what's happening right now कि अभी भी देखो मेरा फोन पे आ रहा है, like I'm getting some notifications. If I was like a Gen Z guy, first of all I would not be here, so it's like I'm very grateful to be here. तूने मेरे को बुलाया podcast पे. But if I was like a Gen Z guy, I'd be studying right now on my desk, आता है notification, I talk to him, like attention span की बात भी नहीं है भाई, just lack of emotional intelligence कि भाई क्या कर रहे हो,
It's
क्यों
lack of
करना है ये सब.
self control, I believe.
Self control भी है. Yes, you're right.
It's
You're right.
morely like यार notification आ गया, चल ऐसे. They won't prioritize their work. They'll be like,
No.
ठीक है, ये 2 मिनट, वो 2 मिनट के 2 घंटे का होता है,
2
पता
मिनट
नहीं होता.
correct.
Similarly, it happens very quickly with students or ऐसे बच्चे who just move out of their houses for college, कि they have no exposure, no alcohol, no drugs, no smoking and stuff. And once they move out, they are like, they don't have that self control. They know it's wrong, but वो self control नहीं आता. और
It's a
फिर
very good point. I'm actually going to elaborate on that point now. तूने
Yeah.
जो obviously you've mentioned a very crucial point कि they know it's wrong but they still do it.
yeah,
This is like I'm pretty sure everybody watching right now knows like ये क्या होएगा. Like if you know something is wrong फिर भी करते हो, then you know there's something wrong with your head. Then something's
Yeah.
seriously wrong. मतलब trying to fit in is the worst thing. Trying to fit in like it sounds weird like when I say it also like
ये चीज तो try भी मत करो, to be very honest.
try भी मत करो, like it has a hint of like a hint of betrayal, कि उसको betray कर दिया, ये कर दिया, all for what? Fitting in. It's very
not
very
worth it.
weak. It is very, very weak, and I feel like it's disgusting. If I'm like, it is sick, bro. It's an infection. I hate it with my soul. I hate it. It's an infection. There's a stain. You're a stain on the earth, bro. होता है ना दाग मेरे किसी ने दाग थे ना infection, bro. निकलेगा भी नहीं अच्छे से. It's disgusting. I hate it, bro. But वो तो vent किया मैंने अभी. But
Yeah.
I'm right. It's not like we're wrong.
Uh-huh.
It's not we're wrong. We are right. And the thing is, they know that they're wrong, but they still do it.
That is
That's
the
the
main
craziest
point.
part. Craziest part. And also, on a very important point, which people might not know about, is selling your soul. I'm pretty sure you heard of this.
Yeah.
Selling. Have you not, or have you?
No, I have heard of this
You have,
phrase.
right? So, now the thing is, I also consume. We basically both consume. We all consume modern content.
Yeah.
If you're living in this world, it's inevitable. Ab tum consume, like you will consume it. But most of Western music industry, movies, TV shows, they're all selling their soul. For example, किसी का murder कर दिया, पैसे ले लिए, bribe ले लिए, all this, something which has been ongoing in India as well, and in movies and through movies and songs is being glorified. For example, you know how so many, there's an entire show about the devil on Netflix. It's called Lucifer.
I haven't seen it, but I've heard of
I
it.
have seen it before when I was a disgusting boy, but I
It
am
was a
telling you right now,
disgusting voice.
I was a disgusting boy. I was a dirty boy, bro. So
Okay.
I'm looking back right now and thinking, मैं भगवान के साथ उससे बात, like we'll talk about God also. I've gotten so connected with God and like being honest and improving, making mistakes but improving.
Yeah.
I am looking back right now, and I can't believe that people are basically glorifying the devil through songs and movies and TV shows. Like you've heard this yourself. I don't need to
Yeah.
say it.
Makes
भाई
sense.
ये literally show है about the devil. This is one example. How they're saying, oh my god, Lucifer's so hot. Look at him. Like all the girls are saying, what is this? Like where are we going as a nation? We all think that we are getting AI and iPhone 16 and iPhone 69, but we are going nowhere. We are going nowhere, bro. I can just say that comfortably. हम सबको लगता है कि वो AI आएगा, दे आएगा, but it will be the death of us.
क्या कर रहे हो? बढ़िया लग रही है? अगर कॉन्वर्सेशन बढ़िया लग रही है तो लाइक कर दो, ठीक है? किसी को भेज भी दो बीच में ही, और सब्सक्राइब भी दबा दो. बाकी मैं आपसे आगे मिलता हूँ. I don't know. I still think कि एक point तक it's still fine, but I feel humanize करना बहुत जरूरी है.
Absolutely.
It will just destroy the actual creativity, to be very honest. वो सबसे पहले
Absolutely.
destroy होगी.
Correct. You're absolutely correct, bro. Creativity तूने अच्छी point बोली, वो है, and you're also right कि तूने बोला कि it's fine to a point.
Yeah.
But the thing is, people are dumb.
People, भाई मेरे को, I'll be very frank, मेरे को तुम कुछ भी लाओ, to be very honest, be it politics, be it technology, be it AI, जब तक मेरे को नौकरी मिल रही है, मेरे घर पे रोटी आ रही है, मेरे माँ बाप खुश हैं, मैं I'm fit and healthy and I have my sources of income, my entertainment, my family, to be very honest, fine. मेरे को फर्क नहीं पड़ रहा तुम्हें क्या करना है अपने साथ. I don't give a single piece of damn. Why would I? मैं डैम बोल दिया, डैम बोलने का मन था नहीं मेरा, बट सेंसर करना पड़ता बाद में. Anyway.
Censor my words as well.
कोई नहीं. But I'm like कि मैं sorted हूँ, तुम करो जो करना है. तुम लेके आओ भाई चैट जीपीटी का 69th वर्जन अगेन. मेरे को जब तक ले ऑफ नहीं कर रहे तुम, मेरे को कोई प्रॉब्लम.
That's actually a good mindset. I feel like the viewers can learn something from that. As long as you're good.
मेरे से मत सीखो. Just learn from Babjot. Just don't.
No, bro. Please, Bajaj, big boy Bajaj, BBB. उसे सीख लो भाई. Big boy Bajaj सीख लो भाई उससे. Don't learn from me. I'm a bad man.
यार मेरे साथ दिक्कत ये है, मैं ना बहुत हिपोक्रेटिक आदमी हूँ. मैं 6 महीने बाद कुछ और बोल दूंगा कैमरा पे ही, एंड मैं सोचूंगा भी नहीं फिर. The worst thing about me is I'm very hypocritic. मैं 2 हफ्ते बाद भी अपने व्यूज बदल सकता हूँ, बट फिर वो है कि करंट है भाई. I don't like people who stay the same forever. तुम 3 साल 4 साल 5 साल कितने साल तक एक ही जैसे रहोगे? Why don't you evolve? Why don't you grow up?
Like, I know, there's actually a good point you said.
Just say.
Evolving, growing up is like, looking back at your videos, pictures, photos, like, I was so cringe here. Like,
हाँ भाई. 6 महीने बाद तुम सोचोगे ना मैं क्या आदमी था. तुम अपने फर्स्ट रिलेशनशिप पे जाओगे और करंट पे अगर देखोगे तो तुम ये देखोगे ना तुमने क्या क्या गलतियां करी है पहले में. और तुम I can bet you तुमने जो 10th 11th 12th में गलतियां करी होंगी
Hmm.
रिलेशनशिप एस्पेक्ट में तुम
Absolutely.
आज
Absolutely.
शक्ल नहीं मिला पाओगे अपने आप से फिर
करेक्ट, वो तो बात सही है भाई।
वेरी एविडेंट और ये
Very, very
इट्स
true.
नॉट अबाउट 1 और 2%, सबके साथ यही सीन है सो इट्स वेरी
Hmm.
नॉर्मलाइज तो इतना सोचना भी नहीं चाहिए आई फील यू
Correct,
सेइंग
correct,
समथिंग
correct. Bro, I was agreeing with you, bro.
हाँ
I was literally agreeing with you, and I got nothing to. Actually, it's like how we look back. Like right now, also, I was looking back at my videos from like 6, 7 months ago. I was like, oh, so cringe, man. Like, why am I saying this? Like, I'm not disagreeing with my views, but the way I was speaking, but my body language is like weird to hai thoda. So we all
दैट
take
इज वेरी
use
एविडेंट
something.
मैं तो खुद एक्सेप्ट करता हूँ मैं बहुत स्टैमर करता हूँ आई स्टैमर अ
Hmm.
लॉट आई एम वेरी
Oh, bro, I stammer a lot. You don't know me,
आई एम
bro. This is a topic
कॉन्शियस
which I have to speak about, bro. I have to like
या
talk about this.
या जस्ट
So
गो फॉर इट
bro, for those of you who don't know, okay, I get many comments asking me how do I speak the way I speak, how is my mental acrobatics this way, like मैं कैसे fluently बात करता हूँ English में हिंदी में. The thing is, bro, I still like when I was a small kid, okay, I had a disgusting stammer because of one thing which we will talk about. And that thing is P. It's P. It starts with P. तो उसकी वजह से मेरे को stammer था, but we'll talk about it.
ओके
And
ओके
from that,
हाँ हाँ जस्ट कंटिन्यू सॉरी
so basically, my two biggest insecurities as a kid, speaking and my body, are now the only things promoting me on YouTube.
या सो यू
So my
वर्कड
point
अपॉन
here
इट
is that don't look at me. Don't look at me. बहुत लोग को लगता है कि मेरी स्पीकिंग ऐसी है, मेरा मुंह ऐसा है, वैसा है, वैसा है. You never know what happens, my friend. You never know what happens. तो भाई इसलिए बोलता हूँ तुम्हें जो यूनिकनेस है ना उसको दिखाओ. Give in to it. People don't give in to it. वो भागते हो उससे, अरे मेरे को fit in. When you try to fit in ना, you are running away from what you can actually be.
दैट इज सो ट्रू दैट्स वेरी
There's
वेल
something
सेड
which
द वे यू
इसलिए
पुट दिस
भागते हैं. People are scared of being themselves, bro.
इसलिए
I'm not
लड़कियां
even
भी नहीं
joking.
मिलती
ऐसे भाई literally, bro. Like
यू नो
actually.
women आर द फर्स्ट ones जिनके पास सिक्स सेंस होती है झूठ पकड़ने की आई
Yeah,
फील
yeah.
ठीक है
I
तुम्हारी
agree,
माँ हो
bro.
गई तुम्हारी टीचर्स हो गए ठीक है बीट योर गर्लफ्रेंड बीट योर वाइफ आई फील अगर इफ यू आर नॉट योर सेल्फ व्हाई वुड एनी पर्सन यू नो एक्सेप्ट यू अगर तुम
Hmm.
उसके मुंह पर झूठे हो तो तुम द अदर पर्सन विल बी लाइक भाई ये आदमी झूठा है टू बी वेरी
Yeah,
ऑनेस्ट
yeah, yeah,
हाउ
absolutely.
कैन दे जस्ट ट्रस्ट यू
Hmm.
नो कंटिन्यू वी वर
Absolutely.
टॉकिंग अबाउट योर स्टैमर
So basically, for those of you who watch my channel, I'm not saying look up to me, but I'm just giving you my,
लुक अप
don't look up to me, bro. Don't look at my face, bro. Don't look up to me, bro. Don't look up to me. So basically, as a kid, I always had a stammer, and I truly wondered. I truly thought कि मेरे बोलने के वजह से I will not be able to, even talk to people or let alone influence them. मेरे को लगा कि because the thing is, I've always wanted a channel. I've said this before कि grade
या
6, 7, I want to make people happy. But I was like, can I do it? तो वो fears के कारण, वो बोलने के कारण मैंने कभी like I never started the channel. मैंने कभी चालू नहीं किया, मैंने कभी वीडियो नहीं बनाया, ये नहीं बनाया. Like it never was there. So I was trying to fit in. These things, they all go hand in hand. I was like, मैं क्या करूँ, ये करूँ, बंदा science कर रहा है, commerce कर रहा है, should I do this, that? I couldn't be myself. I couldn't because on YouTube, it's you. We talked about this.
या
It's YouTube. It's you. You have to project yourself. तुम कैसे हो? What do you believe? What do you want?
दैट इज
Just like
ट्रू
that. And there was this one day, okay, back in school, which I will never forget. Okay, like which I will remember till the day I die. There was a competition, a debate competition, ठीक है? और उसमें मेरी सिलेक्शन हो गई. पता नहीं कैसे भाई, भगवान ने कैसे तो करा दी. But my speaking back then was shit.
ओके
I am telling you right now, not in being like humble or arrogant, it was shit. Is a fact. It was shit. On stage, when the competition, chalu hua tha, I was decent. I was not like surprisingly, I did better than I expected. Okay. And then the next day, my principal called all of us to, her office for feedback and remarks. Some people got positive, some got thoda negative. I was the only person in that room जिसको मैम ने ये बोला. I'll exactly quote it. Not exactly, but ऐसे कुछ बोला. Bhavjot, your speaking was horrible. Something which I will agree with at that point. I'll be humble. But what she said next was absolutely unnecessary. She said that I will never succeed in my life because of my speaking. That's what she said. और उसकी वजह से एंड लाइक दैट जस्ट गिव मी रियलिटी चेक कि भाई मैं कहाँ हूँ, मैं क्या करना चाहता हूँ, व्हाट आई वांट टू डू विद माय लाइफ. Because of my speaking, I'll never succeed. That's basically what she said.
that was so unnecessary and just I just hate these teachers who
Teachers, yes.
मतलब I have had great teachers, touchwood,
English
but
के भाई English के भाई best होते हैं भाई. Like in my experience तो yes bro.
मेरे तो सारे ही अच्छे थे, to be very honest, but I just hate those teachers जो तुम्हारा मोरल डाउन करता है.
Absolutely.
मतलब तुम्हारे घर की खुंदक अलग है, बट तुम बच्चों पे क्यों निकाल रहे हो? तुम अननेसेसरीली जबरदस्ती उसका मोरल क्यों डाउन कर रहे हो? Who are you to define what am I gonna do with my life?
Absolutely.
तू तो टीचर ही रह गई ना, to be very honest. Not
Let's go. Oh, this is the podcast starts, bro. Now we should start recording.
not demeaning any teacher, to be very honest, but for those, यार मेरे को I have stopped this. मतलब मैंने अपने पिछले podcast with the one in living abroad, I was having this conversation with Bhavya ji as well कि respect comes अंदर से, मतलब for anyone. If the person is a teacher, be it a good teacher or a bad teacher, it's not necessary to respect, I feel. अगर टीचर अच्छा है तो अपने आप रिस्पेक्ट आएगी एक आदमी को. अगर टीचर है बीप तो है भाई. I'm like,
correct.
There's no point of just giving any damns about these people. Just move on with your lives. You're gonna make a 10x, 1000x more money than them. And फिर फोन आएगा अर्पित बाला. Have you seen that Arpit Bala
yeah, I've seen that guy multiple times.
Arpit Bala has this story that his teacher just catches his phone and just chats upon him. Now Arpit's famous and she calls him, बेटा मैं आपको याद हूँ, वो आपके पापा का नंबर चाहिए था, वो डॉक्टर है ना, cause I have this emergency. And Arpit's like, तू and I'm like,
I see that. That's a good.
I cannot say it, but it was very evident, bhai. That just makes so sense that karma will hit you back someday or the other.
Bro, it will. It's inevitable. Like that's something which I believe in. Like you get what you put in.
Yeah.
Like
I just don't want to make any jokes about it. Let me just take this to the segue of me looking at your titles and thumbnails and talking about NoFap on this channel.
Yeah.
Talking about.
So are we changing the topic?
Yeah. We are changing it. So we are actually moving into the Ranveer Allahabadiya zone. And
तुम पूछो भाई. I'm here to basically listen and answer.
नहीं मैं आपकी मौत के बारे में नहीं पूछना चाह रहा, बट मेरे को आपका टेक लेना है भाई. भाई तेरा चैनल भरा हुआ है NoFap से, सेल्फ डिसिप्लिन से. आई वांट टू नो मोर अबाउट इट. इतना ऑब्सेशन क्या है? Isn't it a normal thing?
With like can you frame the question in a better way, like once more? Like I'm excited right now. I want to talk about it. I want to like a question.
I'll ask you in very simple words.
Yeah.
Essay. What is your obsession with the adult film industry and NoFap?
Obsession with it, so that's the wrong way of framing it, but मैं बताता हूँ.
यार क्योंकि मेरे को, to be very honest, seeing your thumbnails and titles है तो देख, लोकी तो है.
Okay. Let me say this, okay? So from grade 6, grade 7, from grade 6 till grade 11 ending starting.
By legalities 18, 19. Just say you watched Con.
Yeah, I watched Con for almost 8 years of my life. 8 years, and I was heavily addicted to that.
Yeah,
I was heavily addicted to that, and there was a phase when I did that 10 times a day.
What?
10 times a day, yes, absolutely. I've said this on my channel also.
Isn't that
there was
exaggeration?
This one instance, it had consumed my life so much to the point where there was this one day I was sitting right here, different laptop.
It's not even healthy. 10 times a day is too much. Exaggerate. Continue.
So it was one day my mom and dad were saying कि चलो mall चलते हैं, ice cream खाएंगे, shopping करेंगे, this and that. And I was a very outgoing kid before, like P and stuff. Before watching that, I was बाहर जाना, चलो मजे करेंगे. I was all about having fun. I didn't care. As kids, we didn't care कि हमको मजा दिखता है, कहाँ भी हम जाएंगे, ठीक है?
Yeah.
For the first time in my life that day, I don't know what came in me, like मेरे दिमाग में क्या आ गया. I said no. And they were like very, कि ये जोक no क्यों जा रहा? Yeah, I don't say no usually. Then they went to the mall, and I sat right here, and I did it 10 times. 10 times in 2 hours. And the thing is, bro, it might sound unhealthy, but the thing is, you will be surprised when I say this, bro. From my comments and from the comments of various, sites and this and that, on Reddit and this and that. There are millions of men who can relate to this. I promise you, bro. I swear to God. I'm not even joking. Millions of men. I've spoken to them. Not millions, but like I've spoken to many, bro. और वो बोलने में थोड़ा डर लगता है, but that's exactly why I'm taking a stand about all this, because I myself have this story of me doing this, and that's exactly why I'm making videos to expose how evil this is.
Then
The industry is
what changed you? What happened with you that you now are resonating from 10 times a day to NoFap?
because of YouTube. YouTube, that what P did, what this and P watching P did, it stole my dreams from me. And I'm being a bit dramatic about this, but I have to be dramatic. I have to be dramatic. It stole my dreams from me. Like मैंने कभी सोचा नहीं कि I was just consuming content कि ये वीडियो देखो वो देखो, but मेरे जो ideas थे, dreams थे about becoming a YouTuber in that 1 year, grade 5 to grade 6, it just went away. Like it just like disappeared. And when I finally woke up to reality, कि in like almost 2 years ago, कि मैं कर क्या रहा हूँ? Whatever, like it hit me finally, because before that, like basically I started my improvement journey 3 years ago, working out and everything. So uski wajah se I got like attraction from girls and this and that, like I got like that very social guy, but something was still missing, and that was YouTube. That was who I was, or that was who I wanted to be.
Basically,
Make content.
the purpose of work was missing in your life. कुछ
Absolutely.
काम I feel when a person has work, अगर वो कुछ ना कुछ काम कर रहा है, तो चाहे वो कुछ भी करे, that 8 hours और 4 घंटे तो मिनिमम कर रहे हो ना तुम काम, that just keeps your mind fit.
That is what I was lacking, purpose.
Yeah.
Men do this because they lack purpose. You're right, bro. You're not wrong at all. I fully agree with you. Like, this is exactly why most men do it. I was lacking purpose. And what I'm selling on my channel is purpose. I'm not saying,
but I still feel there's nothing wrong, but be in your limits, guys. No,
I'll basically, I disagree with you. I believe that fine with this, with only this,
yeah,
that's a different topic.
Yeah.
But with watching P, I have a full theory which can
it neurologically destroys your brain.
Destroys your brain.
Yeah.
This is like a physical aid, which we can talk about later, but the main concept is you're destroying what you're watching.
We are not credible enough to say about it, but there is this neuroscientist Sid Warrior. He has a proper breakdown of con industry and how con affects your brain, and
Absolutely.
It's very evident that once you get that stimulus, once your brain get used to that kind of stimulus, it becomes very difficult for your nervous system to differentiate. It becomes very difficult to differentiate between what's actually reality and what's virtual reality.
Correct.
वो black or white brain तुम्हारे nervous system को दिखना बंद हो जाता है, and that's why he said कि it's not healthy for your brain. तुम्हारी body छोड़े, it's not healthy for your nervous system. So
absolutely.
But again he had this counterpart कि anything in moderation is still fine, and मतलब एज पे भी डिपेंड करता है हर बंदे की. What people go wrong with is self discipline, I feel again. And जितना तुम बिजी रहोगे तुम्हारे पास टाइम होगा नहीं है सबके लिए, to be very honest.
Absolutely. I fully agree. Yeah, like it's full. Like
मतलब
I fully agree with that.
Those who are watching this, I can bet, मतलब जितने भी सुन भी रहे हैं, it's very evident that people जब खाली होता है तभी तो आदमी ऐसी हरकतें करता है अपने जीवन में. जब
and I also, if you want,
engaged.
If you want, I can explain to you why, in a small way, how this destroys your brain.
Yeah.
Should I explain?
Go ahead.
So when you're watching P, you're basically watching another man do what you want to do, and you're finding happiness in another man winning in a wrong aspect. When you watch sports, for example, India जीतती है, खुशी मिलती है कि हमारी टीम जीती है, but when you're watching an other man on the screen doing something disgusting, winning in that disgusting aspect, it destroys your brain. तुम खुद ही सोच लो एक बार. Like picture yourself from like the third point of view कि भाई looking at myself, looking at P.
I'm having very bad jokes. Let me just move on.
I know. Like this is it disgusts me.
I'm getting very bad jokes on it.
Which
will just make my family either disown me or make my career in threat. So I should just not say, क्योंकि समय तो ऐसा ही है भाई. समय ने बिगाड़ दिया भाई मेरे को.
And the thing is, and also one last point I'll say, I'm done with this. I could like बहुत तरह theories दिया about this, but one last thing, how do you trust the industry? How are you so sure कि वहाँ grapes नहीं हो रहे?
It's all made up. It's all injections. It's all fake.
Yeah, but like, how do you know? Like, even the concepts in what they display in P,
It's not.
that is a
Yeah.
grape. Like that's grape.
Yeah, I got it.
That's grape. If you like remove the G.
Yeah, I got
Because
it. I got it. I got the grape.
yeah, like the grapes, it's very evident कि you're watching and people are glorifying it. It's literally being glorified.
Oh,
Literally
West
is.
has glorified it more because it has now, to be very honest, become a source of income for a lot of people in West.
Bro, you're right. My entire point is that like the West is the problem. India में ये सब
Yeah.
कभी था नहीं actually, if I'm being honest.
India
If it was
is
there,
India being a orthodox in this aspect, I feel is very right. Because
absolutely.
in West, it's rather than being glorified, people have started seeing it as a profession, which
Yes.
is which I feel is individual's choice. कि भाई तुम्हें जो
Hmm.
करना है अपनी body के साथ करो. Who am I
Hmm.
to point?
Yeah.
But for me personally, it's wrong. मतलब कल को
Hmm.
you raise up your kids, बच्चों की school fees कैसे जा रही है? भाई,
Hmm. Hmm.
if it happens in India and तेरे को पता चले that your friends left, right, center is an actor or an actress,
Yeah.
उसको दोस्त मिलेंगे ना वैसे.
Obviously.
People's there have been news that people's family have had adverse effects of it
Hmm.
just because one of their family member is a part of it, is a part of
Hmm.
the industry,
Hmm.
and it's a very deep shit hole I feel. And
Yeah.
just you know
I mean, it's disgusting, guys. Do like just forget about it. Like,
just stay, मतलब जितना it's your call man. मतलब मैं
yeah.
I तो feel I'm no one to regulate up your willpower, but it's all up to you. It's all
No, but
personal
I want to say
preference.
that I want to give a small message, like ending
Yeah.
this topic actually.
हाँ.
कि यहाँ जो मेन प्रॉब्लम है तो भाई पहली बात तो ये हमारा जो इंडिया का कल्चर जो है भारत का जो
Yeah.
कल्चर है इट इज सो ब्यूटीफुल आई डोंट थिंक पीपल अंडरस्टैंड इट इट्स वेरी ब्यूटीफुल इट्स वेरी वेरी डाइवर्स एंड यू नो हम पढ़ चुके हैं टेक्स्ट बुक्स में कि इट इज सो डाइवर्स आई एम टेलिंग यू लिसन टू मी इट इज डाइवर्स ब्रो इट्स ब्यूटीफुल and that beauty is being stolen again because of all this stuff.
That is
Like if you see how even Gen Z people talk, arey yaar, like you know, yaar, just stop doing this. Like, is very disgusting. Like you know, it's shameful. It's dishonest. It's cruel. It's very very like you can see it. Like the Western aspect has like been influencing us. It's very very bad, bro.
in every aspects, good and bad, I feel, but I have to still leave it on personal preferences because these things I feel are no point of generalizing. सबको they are, एक सुट्टेबाज को पता है कि वो अपने लंग्स के साथ क्या कर रहा है, एक दारूबाज को पता है वो अपने लिवर के साथ क्या कर रहा है.
Yeah, obviously, like it's
ठीक
your
है,
call. आपको जो करना
it's
है करो. But
आपको
this is the
जो
truth.
करना है करो भाई. भाई,
Yeah,
if you're happy at the end of the day, who are we to stop you, to be very honest? अगर
I can't like come out of the screen and like tell you, hey, बंद कर. Like do
हाँ
what you
हाँ
want.
तू कर भाई, तेरे को जो करना, to be very honest.
Actually, like it's like your call.
Yeah.
कोई topic change? कोई
नहीं
तो
नहीं
topic.
नहीं, it's no stress, but talking about self discipline, self
Hmm.
control, I was saying
Fighting, please.
fight. हाँ, basically I wanted to ये देख कितना कितना excited हो गया हमारा भाई. मेरे को उसी में जाना था कि what made you go into fitness. मतलब you said ना, you had stammer and your body as an insecurity in your childhood, but
Hmm.
being this self disciplined जितना तू claim कर रहा है, and you actually are, I believe.
I believe, honest to
मतलब
God.
your body looks like that. It has worked. There has been a
I am.
difference.
Bro. I've been working out for 3 years. उतना clarify कर रहा हूँ. वो भी घर पे. Never been to a gym.
Oh,
Never been to a gym.
wow.
I'm not lying. Obviously, I've been to a gym, but my point is that मैंने gym में कभी workout नहीं किया है. वो
Major
बोल रहा
तेरा basically on your own था ना. So
हूँ. On my own.
and
On my own.
I believe that workout वाला self discipline अगर एक बंदे में आ जाए ना, 1 घंटे का भी workout. I've been also working out daily.
Hmm.
दिखेगा कि नहीं पता नहीं. It's been like 6 months, 5 months.
Yeah.
I feel mentally you become more stronger.
Absolutely. That's a very good
Because
point, boy.
अब now I am waiting कि भाई, because I am free अभी summer break में, so I am waiting कि भाई कब 5 बजेंगे, कब gym खुलेगा, मैं कब जाऊंगा, just for 1 hour. That 1 hour I feel when ऐसे जब पसीना निकलता है after working out, that is the so relax, इतना peak, मतलब that is the peak moment you should have in your life.
It's a natural high you feel like,
Yeah.
oh, like, it's very, very good. It's a
जब
beautiful feeling.
जब तुम अगली बार एक प्लेट और ऐड करते हो, एक rep और मारते हो,
Hmm.
that's a difference. So what
Yeah.
made you dive deep into, you know, fighting, MMAs, and working outs?
So I'll get into working out first because I started working out back in January, February of 2021.
Okay.
Yes, that's basically when I started. And again, it was a realization कि मेरे को क्या करना है. I wanted to improve in some way. And my body at that time was because my speaking got a bit better. You know, like 11, 12 के बाद I got a
वो
bit
विद टाइम
better.
हो ही जाती है सबकी.
हाँ, तब थोड़ा हो गया ठीक. But it was still like messed up, okay? But my body was like it was disgusting according to me. So I had to make a change, and something had to change. I know that I'm not saying that I'm this guy मैंने चालू किया, oh my god, but I had to make a change for myself. And again, it's personal. And again, I believe that working out or staying in shape, I'm not even saying, lifting weights तो अलग बात होगी, but basic cardio, getting up, moving your body, walking, running, jogging, just staying in shape, that is something which is a must for everybody. And I want to explain why. I'm not talking about the physical or mental benefits. I'm talking about gratitude. तुम्हें भाई शरीर दिया है, हाथ दिए, सब कुछ दिया है. There are people with diseases जिनका नाम I can't pronounce.
Yeah.
And you have everything and you're still not working out. It's disgusting. It's very cruel to your own body. तुम्हें भाई शरीर है, वो working hard. ठीक है, सबके खुद issues problems होते हैं, but we can do something, right? कुछ तो कर सकते हैं. For example, एक दिन gym बंद हुआ. Drop down and do push-ups.
बस
That's one example. बस
हो गया आज का
nothing else.
वर्कआउट.
Now,
पुशअप
doesn't
करके
matter
वॉक
तूने
मार
क्या.
ली. वी वेंट आउट
Yes.
फॉर अ वॉक. नाइस.
It does not matter तूने क्या किया. तूने किया. Did something. That's something which I always promote. Gratitude, being grateful for your body, your friends, and your family. And if you're fit, right, you inspire the people in your circle. Not even saying millions. दो तीन दोस्त थे, अरे bro, तू workout कर, आदित्य बजाज, damn, teach me, bro. It's like that. It's like that. And the thing is, because I one day I was like changing my clothes, right, and I saw massive improvement in like my this arms and back and everything, and my family saw it, and they got inspired. कि भाई जोत, वाह. So if you can inspire even one person now, that's a beautiful thing.
Inspire one person, छोड़ो. You will inspire yourself. Again, Arpit Bala reference, I'll say. Arpit Bala
I
says,
know, correct.
yeah, he says, अपने फोन में अपनी नंगी फोटो भर लो.
Correct.
टॉपलेस, मतलब हाँ, नंगी का मतलब मेरा ये है कि
Correct.
अपनी टॉपलेस फोटोज भर लो अपने फोन में. द मोमेंट यू ओपन योर फोन
Hmm.
गैलरी, यू विल बी अशेम्ड. ठीक है, रोज खींचो.
Hmm.
तुम जाओगे ना,
Hmm.
यू विल सी द डिफरेंस.
Yeah, absolutely.
तुम
Absolutely.
वो इनसिक्योरिटी की भाई किसी और ने गलती से
Hmm.
फोन में गैलरी देख ली ना, और ऐसी फोटोएं देख ली,
Hmm.
अब वो फोटो ही चेंज
Hmm.
करनी है. आई हैव डन दिस,
Ah.
एंड गलती से कोई फोन खोल लेता है, यू फील टेरिबल. सो जस्ट गो एंड वर्क आउट.
Well, that has happened one day actually. Like actually has happened
व्हाट?
with me. Yes.
समवन.
Like so
हाँ.
basically 4 months ago I was going on a serious cut, and I didn't do it because of like some personal reasons, कुछ तो हो गया था. But I was taking a progress pic क्योंकि मैंने तभी पम्प मारा था.
हाँ
I
हाँ.
was working out, calisthenics ही करता हूँ, push-ups ही मारता हूँ. I finished my workout, I took a photo, and somebody opened it actually when they were using my phone.
Then
The reaction was very very like, oh, like तेरे phone में क्यों है? Because
हाँ, तेरे फोन में क्यों है और तेरी फोटो क्यों
a
है?
boy a boy didn't open it.
हाँ, that's the main point ना.
Yeah, like it was like basically like
ऐसे ऊपर से
basically
नीचे
I
तक जज करा जाता है फिर आपको.
yeah like
एंड
like
एक्चुअली
yeah
ऊपर से नीचे तक जज करा जाता है आपको.
literally so
जो
like
तुम्हारी छाती के बाल वो औरत देख रही है.
literally she was like Bhavjot, like why is this on your phone, like why, like what are you doing, like I was like let it be, like just stay quiet man, let's just ignore it. Just ignore it, just ignore it, just do it, man.
यही पॉइंट था उसका.
Yeah.
सो व्हाट्स योर वर्कआउट रूटीन? तू ऐसे डिसिप्लिन्ड कैसे रहता है?
I
what
actually
is, अच्छा, let me just ऐसे
I can't go into specifics. I
या
can't go
नहीं
into
नहीं,
specifics.
मैं बता रहा हूँ ना. I'm just asking you उस way में that you don't have to go into specifics and it becomes easier for you to answer.
Hmm.
Being disciplined has honestly turned your life, to be very honest. You, ठीक है. अब now what used to happen in a day of your life जब तू disciplined नहीं था, ठीक है. A rough example, in an average day जब तू disciplined नहीं था, ठीक है. एक तो तूने बता दिया 10 times a day, ठीक है. बाकी उल्टे. And now, since you have been on this path, what is an average day? Average छोड़, what is a normal day in Bhavjot's disciplined life now?
Disciplined life now, first of all, on some
पहले
days,
नॉन डिसिप्लिन बता, फिर डिसिप्लिन बताइए.
तो अच्छा ठीक है, तो पहले पहले की बात, ठीक है, तो बिफोर इट वाज जस्ट कंज्यूमिंग कंटेंट विदाउट माइंडलेसली, बिना सोचे कि ये कुछ नहीं करना, फोन मिल गया उठा लिया, ये चिप्स का पैकेट देख लिया खा लिया, लाइक ईटिंग एंड जस्ट लाइक ट्राइंग टू फिल दिस वॉइड ऑफ पर्पस विद जंक फूड, विद पी, विद फोन एडिक्शन, समथिंग लाइक हमको कुछ तो चाहिए रहता है,
Yeah,
एंड पीपल ट्राई टू एस्केप दैट बाय किलिंग द ड्रीम्स, एंड खाना खा रहे, कुछ तो एस्केप रहता है, मूवी देखना, कंटेंट लाइक कुछ तो कंज्यूम करना.
true.
And I feel like that was basically me before. Like I was just consuming content. Even though I knew कि अरे मैं करूंगा एक दिन चैनल चालू करूंगा एक दिन कर करके 6-7 साल हो गए.
Yeah.
Literally. I'm not even joking. And people won't believe it, but actually it's gone. And the thing is, like, you have to be doing something with your life. कुछ तो करना चाहिए भाई. कुछ तो, even if it's something, man, like it may not look like much, but over time your effects will like compound कि ऐसे किया मैंने वो किया, and then one day you will get what you want. इसलिए बोलता हूँ कुछ तो करो. And I was not doing nothing when I was, like I didn't even move my body properly. Like मेरी like my parents just like push me कि जाके कुछ तो कर, like take a walk in the park or go on
मतलब
the
तो
swings.
चप्पल चप्पल मार के ट्यूबलाइट बंद करता था.
Absolutely, chappal, and I needed a beating. I needed to be like killed, bro. Actually, bro, to be like slapped up. But it's a
Yeah.
bad thing, जो भी होता है happens for a reason. So I look back and I'm grateful कि जो भी हुआ I learned my lesson. Because why I started, you ask me, it was because of a compound of an addition of all these days, months and years कि मैं कर क्या रहा हूँ with my life. I had dreams since I was in grade 7, grade 8, grade 6 actually, if I'm being honest, and I didn't do anything with my life.
Makes
Like it's
sense.
very very sad to see. So like I reached a point like सबका एक breaking point होता ही है भाई कि enough is enough. In trust issues कि I'm not trusting anybody, कुछ तो होता है, betrayal होता है, सबका होता है point. And in my aspect it was, I'm done. I can't do this
I gotta
anymore.
get my shit sorted.
I have absolutely, Aditya. So I had to do that. So before it was just consuming, and right now it is trying my best to produce something.
Basically create
Produce,
consumer mindset से तेरा
create,
creator mindset
हाँ,
बन गया.
create,
That is the
absolutely.
biggest change a person has.
Create something. And the biggest part about all this is God, is my connection with God. Because I was an atheist before. I was a stupid, dumb, disgusting boy. Like I was a small, I was actually very, very dumb. And what this has done is basically given me hope and belief, and made me more grateful. Like just made me like more optimistic and positive in the present, like for the present and the future. कि जो भी होता है कि but I will do something. That
उम्मीद
is
पे
the
तो दुनिया
mentality.
कायम है.
Absolutely. कुछ तो करना चाहिए भाई. Even if it's going to college or कुछ भी धक्का मार रहे, कुछ तो
कुछ तो
करो
हो ही
यार.
जाएगा.
Absolutely. That's basically what I preach right now, and that's basically what I'm doing myself. And I have many many plans of maybe becoming even a filmmaker, because I'm basically going into that hole now. It's a
हाँ.
very thing, and I'm not even a beginner. Like I barely even started. I barely made like a few scripts and all. But yeah, it's good, man. कि जब तुम खुद कुछ करते हो, when you take a small like action, like तुम कुछ करते हो, for example, your brain opens a door to many more ideas कि I can do this also, I can do that, I can do this, I
Yeah.
can do that.
It's
Absolutely.
again neurologically that likely neurons are produced in neurons
Mm.
multiply. अब तुम जितना negative thoughts करोगे ना, more negative
हाँ,
neurons will multiply. The
हाँ,
more
correct, correct.
positive you think, the more positive neurons multiply.
Absolutely. हाँ,
Yeah.
correct. That's something which is there. And I feel like अगर लोग ने ना एक दिन भी जिम में खुद लगा के मन वर्कआउट कर लिया, after that day they can become like bodybuilders or something. Actually, bro, that's actually possible. If you actually like this one, it takes one day, bro, one action, something to do to change your life. But वो लोग करते ही नहीं है दिल से. एंड आई फील लाइक एक बार वो कर लिया ना, ठीक है, उसके बाद कुछ नहीं करना है, मत करो. लाइक तुमने कर लिया एक्सपेरिमेंट, बट कुछ तो
Yeah.
करो यार. Do something, man, because this life is not very long.
That is true.
Something which everybody knows.
Life is
Not very.
uncertain.
Absolutely. तो वही है.
Perfect. Yeah, to be very honest, I feel we have had a great
Hold on.
conversation.
I'm sorry.
हाँ.
Fighting.
हाँ, बोलो. Continue.
So
Fighting.
fighting. So with self-defense, okay, I recently made a video on that. You can go and watch it on my channel. Self-defense is a must for everybody in today's world.
Agreed.
Like बहुत लोग बोलते हैं कि मैं violent हूँ, I'm very aggressive, but I feel like it's necessary to in today's world. अगर तुम news देखते हो, if you're a guy or a girl who's online, you are very aware of all the street fights, of all the grapes happening and this and that. And I feel like what we can do from our side to become more confident and better, and to protect our lives and the lives of our loved ones as well, self-defense or fighting, or basic self-defense. defense. उसके बारे में knowledge बढ़ाना. That's something which we should do.
Wow. Should we back?
Hello?
Yeah, we're back.
क्या हो गया?
कुछ नहीं कुछ तो फ्लक्चुएट
क्या
हुआ
हो गया?
होगा आई फील. नहीं तू कंटिन्यू
Bro,
कर.
I was so like anxious, like क्या हो गया भाई? Call
अरे
कट
नहीं
होता
नहीं
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 क्या
नहीं
हो गया? I
नहीं
was
नहीं
like
नहीं
so
नहीं
anxious.
नहीं नहीं चिल.
Yeah, so again, talking about like self-defense, I'll keep it short and sweet. It's necessary, and it teaches you discipline. Again, like तुम कुछ तो कर रहे हो, like to defend your life, कुछ तो कर रहे हो. Martial arts gym join किया, boxing कर लिया, and it's not like कि join करना है कुछ. Go on YouTube and produce some and like consume some good content. कि मैं ये सीख सकता हूँ about studies or anything like that.
Also about your
कुछ तो करो.
diet, be more conscious about what you eat, how
Hmm.
much you eat.
Absolutely. Just be conscious and be aware of what you're doing. Because people don't even do that.
मतलब
Correct बोले.
I've reached at that point कि मेरे को पता अगर मेरे को रील स्क्रॉल करके टाइम बर्बाद करना है तो मैं कॉन्शियसली आधा घंटा देखूंगा उसके बाद बंद कर दूंगा.
बंद कर दूंगा. Yes, absolutely.
Yeah.
Correct. Very correct.
यार to be very honest मेरे को बहुत मजा आया. There's a lot to talk. Wow.
Bro, I think there's like one more like topic left.
Yeah, I remember.
If you are
हाँ नहीं. Do you think I'll forget that topic? But to be very honest,
that's a highlight.
हाँ. तो what I feel उसके लिए ना एक और एपिसोड करेंगे हम. I don't want क्योंकि ये
Okay.
थोड़ा हाँ. We'll do one more
Okay.
episode. We'll have one more nice conversation क्योंकि
Can
मेरे
you give them a teaser, please?
हाँ वो we'll leave an Easter egg. But let me एक बार मेरे को complete करने दे कि I feel we've had a great conversation and I genuinely loved it. Thank you so much for saying yes, bro. First of all, क्योंकि मेरे को बहुत मजा आया. Okay.
Don't worry about that, bro. Like,
And for
I'm gonna do the
sure,
same.
we are having one more episode very soon.
For sure.
ठीक है, within an interval. एक और एपिसोड भवजोत के साथ तो 100% आएगा.
Absolutely.
And for that, here's an Easter egg for you guys. Go for it.
Okay. So recently, I almost got sent to jail because of false accusations of harassment. And what the guy said over there, ki if a girl is involved in any case, it is always the girl who wins. This is something which I was said, and I almost got sent to jail because of something I didn't do. Something which I'll make a video on my channel as well, but my podcast mein bolunga because uski audience different hai, many different hai, but we can get together and talk about this. But this was, I say, one of the most triggering events of my life, and I'm still to a degree very very pissed off that this happened because this was injustice, absolute injustice, and I almost got sent to jail because of this. Like right now, like abhi just my Friday ko like yesterday only I went to college and it was disgusting what happened. So again, we'll talk about that, and that's like a spicy.
I want to highlight that event because फिर मेरे को डिटेल में जानना and we'll have a nice conversation around that topic क्योंकि it is very evidently हर जगह कह दिया जाता है कि अगर if you're involved with girls, even if you're friends and कुछ some mishappening happens, ठीक है, people are always it's always the female's word over a man's.
Absolutely.
And society has made it that way, and it is a brilliant topic. I feel we can create something around it.
And I've heard things which can truly expose, it's not like everybody knows already, but like from my experience, expose like the system more. मैंने जो सुना है देखा है, but that's like for
that is something we can just debate around forever.
Debate, bro, and you have fun.
उसपे मजे आएंगे, ठीक है?
Yes,
but for now it's been a long one, so I wanted to keep it short and interesting one क्योंकि मेरे को तो personally बहुत मजा आया and I feel तुम्हें भी मजे ही आए होंगे सुनने में जो सुन रहे हो.
Absolutely, bro.
अगर तुमने यहाँ तक सुना तो तुम्हें मजे तो आए 100%.
Yes, absolutely.
Yeah, but Bhavjot, thank you so much for doing this. Really glad to have you.
I want to say thank you for inviting me, bro, because I believe that getting to know or widening your outlook and your perspectives is very very important, and I'm very grateful कि तूने मेरे को opportunity दी actually आने को, because मेरे को ज़्यादा podcast से ज़्यादा invitations आते. I don't know, like people don't like this thing. I don't know.
Chill, bhai, we all love you, yaar. We all love you.
I don't know, like first of all, the all the credit goes to Aditya. It's his
all the credit goes to Sanjeevni for mentioning you. यार वो खुश हो जाएगी, मैं कह रहा हूँ वो खुश हो जाएगी. Once
I have one thing.
हाँ बोल
नहीं तू बोल, मेरा एंडिंग लाइन है
मैं कह रहा हूँ once she listens to this, उसका टेक्स्ट आ रहा है मेरे पास भी तेरे पास भी 101%.
Oh, bro. But Aditya, what to say, bro? As far as I know, again, I'm not being rude, but as from what I've seen, you're a very genuine guy. And all I can say is that I wish the best for you, wholeheartedly, for you and your family. तेरे जो भी ड्रीम्स है, गोल्स है, जो भी है, पढ़ाई में हो, इसमें हो, I wish you the best, bro, because you're a very good guy. And I need your camera ASAP. I need that microphone and stuff, bro. Because
Yeah.
I'm a YouTuber. I only have this light, bro. Like that's the only
अरे
thing. Okay. And there's one thing I want to say for all the viewers. I didn't mean to hate anybody or offend anybody. It's all cool. God bless everybody right now. तुम्हारे जो viewers है, all your family members, your friends, your loved ones. I wish the best for everybody. ठीक है, जो भी गलतियां हो गई है, जो भी हो गया है, forget the past. One small message I'm giving you. Forget the past and just focus on what you can control right now. That is the best thing.
focus on the
और भाई
present.
भगवान में विश्वास कभी भी नहीं लूज करना. Never lose faith in God. Always keep God in mind. And जो भी होता है अच्छे के लिए होता है.
Perfect. This is also a topic we can debate upon in the
God
next
bless.
episode.
God bless everybody. God bless everybody.
Thank you
Nothing
so
but
much,
love.
bhai.
Thank you so much. Bro. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much everyone for listening. मैं आप लोगों से अगले एपिसोड में मिलता हूँ अभी के लिए. चलो, फाइनली तुमने पूरी बातें सुन ली है, हो तो तुम वेले ही, बट थैंक यू सो मच फॉर लिसनिंग. एंड इफ यू लाइक द कॉन्वर्सेशन, पहले तो मेरे को बताओ तुम्हें कैसी लगी. मैं जाने ही नहीं दूंगा तुम्हें, पहले कमेंट डाउन करो अभी के अभी. डिड यू लाइक इट और नॉट, कैसी लगी? डू नॉट फॉरगेट टू लाइक, शेयर, कमेंट, सब्सक्राइब. ये तो तुम्हें ड्रिल पता है. किसी एक बंदे को भेज दो जो तुम्हें लगे कि हाँ उसे भी बढ़िया ही लगेगी, ठीक है. बाकी कॉलेज चेंज हो गया है मेरा, हेड्स अप. नया कॉलेज स्टार्ट हो गया, इट्स फन. दिस इज अ लॉट हैपनिंग विद माई लाइफ राइट नाउ. आज मूड काफ़ी अच्छा है. इट वॉज I've had a great sleep after a very long time. By God's grace, I feel. And things are going pretty nice. Major updates happening. And I guess I'll start shooting more content. Thoda acha, thoda bura. I guess I don't know how, what, when. No idea. I might try something different. I might not. Trust me, ये चैनल बंद तो नहीं होने वाला है. क्योंकि एनर्जी बहुत ज़्यादा आ रही है कॉलेज में तो. So, I'll stay. मतलब मैं तुम्हें यही मिलूंगा, ठीक है. कभी कब पता नहीं, मोस्टली नेक्स्ट वीक, एक हफ्ते के अंदर तो मिल ही जाता हूँ तुम्हें. तो आई विल सी यू सून. बाय.